taking this flour, and it's easy. It's pretty easy in my opinion, and it takes like under 15 minutes. And what you're gonna need is a pipe cleaner for the roof, ribbon for whatever this is, and paper for the actual pedal part, and scissors and tape. So first you're going to take your piece of paper, it's like this, and take your ribbon, it can be like any color, except pink, and don't cut it yet, but just do over, under, like you're threading. Okay, so now we're going to cut the fast way, but you can pause whenever you want. Now we're back. This one will be over, under, over. Over, under, just like this. Okay. Now you want to cut the ribbon, and then fold this into eighths. Once, twice, and 3 times. Wait, 6? Never mind. Fold it into 6. Now you can either choose to make a bow like this, or make a knot like this. And for the knot, you want to double knot it. And for the bow, you just want to tie your shoelaces. And now, once you're done with that, you just want to put it back into here, fold it back here, and then cut a tiny, teensy little hole. Okay. Okay, it's a little weird. Okay. And now you want to take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half, or at least I like to fold it in half so it's like exactly half, but you can make it longer or shorter, and then cut it in half. Okay, and then take the pipe cleaner, put it through the hole. And take the pipe cleaner now and then put it through the hole that you just made. And then wrap it around. Then hold it with your one hand, and then with the other hand get a piece of tape. And then tape it around. And you can stop here if this is all you want, or you can make the bow. And if you don't want the bow, then that's basically the end. Unless you want to like spray it with something that smells nice, like perfume. But then, otherwise, it's done. But for the bow, you just want to be pretty generous, I'd say. You can always go shorter, but you can't always go, well, you can't go longer. So you just want to do the same thing, basically. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun.